Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about complementary solution. So in this situation, we need to put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. Later that, we need to do first the derivative of yc. And we have lambda e to the power of lambda s. Because if we do first the derivative of this one, we will keep this one same. Later that we do first the derivative of lambda s, we have lambda. Now we need to find second the derivative of yc. And we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. Because this one that is about complementary solution. So this equation in here equals to number 0. And now we put this one gone here, this one gone here, and this one gone here. And we have e to the power of lambda s. We can do about factorization. So we can find the solutions of this one. And we have lambda equals to number 1 and lambda equals to negative number 2. So we can find about yc in here. That is about c number 1, the constant number 1, e to the power of lambda s. So we put number 1 go in here and we have 1s. So we can write s. So we have c number 2. That is about the constant number 2, e to the power of negative number 2s. Now let's go to particular solutions. So we put about yb. So if we go back in here, we have e to the power of 2s. So we can put about ae to the power of 2s. Now if we do first the derivative of this one, we have 2a e to the power of 2s. Now if we do second the derivative of this one, we have 4e to the power of 2s. Now we go back in here. This one I will put in here. This one I will put in here. And y we put in here. Now if we simplify and we have like this, negative 2a, positive 2a, we cancel. So coefficient of this one we have number 1. That means 4a equals to number 1. So a equals to 1 over 4. And we put 1 over 4 gone here. And we have the final answer. Now we have y equals to yc plus yp. Yc that is about this one. Yp that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.